What's up, my people? Tide and Natural here, and I'm back with another twist out tutorial. Yes, it's been a while, but this one is bomb, baby. Look at them curls, they popping. So here are the ingredients or the products that we're going to be using. The Sisters product, Grow and Scalp Oil, the Mango and Shea Butter, plus the Moisture Miracle Curl Defining Gel. So let's get into it. So as y'all know, we're starting off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. So I've already applied my leave-in conditioner. So now what I'm going to be doing is adding the oil so that I'm locking in that moisture, because moisture is key. Texture hair suffers from dryness, and that's the reason why it's just not healthy, is because it suffers from dryness. And as you can see, I'm giving myself a nice little scalp massage while I work this oil into my section, because scalp massages bring blood circulation, which also increases growth. So you can never have too many scalp massages. Okay, now when you start to brush your hair with the Denman brush or whatever brush you may be using, please make sure that you're always starting at the ends of your hair and never starting at the top, which is the roots, because you will take your hair out. Then when you get to the twisting aspect of it, you want to make sure that you're twisting in a clockwise direction, meaning the same way the clock ticks, that's the same way you should be twisting your hair, because that's going to cause less tension on the roots and on your strands. The more tension, the more breakage, possibly the more alopecia and damage that is going to be done. So I'm going to continue doing this all over my head. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of this section of the video. I will say the smaller the twist, the more definition and the more curl pattern you're going to receive. So that's why I made mine a little smaller. They're like a medium pretty much, but I feel that I get more definition when I make smaller parts. What up, my people? So it's been 24 hours because your girl did finish Friday morning, like 2-3 in the morning, twisting. And so it is past 2-3 in the morning now. It is about 11 a.m. and I banded my hair because I wanted to make sure that I got as much length as possible out of my hair. Okay, I know you're wondering, like, what in the world is going on, sis? Why does your video look like this? Well, I caught myself recording from the other side of the camera, and evidently I did it totally backwards. So here is a little bit behind the scenes of what it looks like. So I just kept it in the video so you can actually see what I do behind the camera. So besides that, we are separating the twist and then we're coiling the ends so that they stay nice and curly. And you want to kind of look for the breaks in your twist so that you're not causing any extra frizz. The curls is popping, y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed the tutorial, guys. And I'm gonna see y'all back on the next video. Alright?